On the night of March 7, 2025, armed men from the Baloch Liberation Army assassinated Mufti Shamir, a prominent religious scholar in Balochistan, in Turbat Keech district. According to police report, the attack occurred as Mufti Shamir was leaving the mosque after performing Tarawih prayers. Armed individuals on motorcycle opened fire, inflicting serious injuries. Despite immediate medical attention at Turbat Hospital, he succumbed to his injuries shortly thereafter. This tragic incident coincided with whispered protester across Balochistan organized by the Jamiat Ulama Islam JUI in response to recent suicide attack targeting their leader, Wadera Ghulam Sarwar in Khozdar, as well as another attack in Akora Khatak. Just hours prior to his assassination, Mufti Shamir had spoken at a protest rally in Turbat condemning the violence against JUI leaders. Who is Mufti Shamir and why Indian is linking his death to the revenge of arrest of Kulbhushan Yadav? Mufti Shamir Bezenjo held the position of Secretary General of Jamiat Ulama Islam in Turbat, and he was widely regarded as a significant religious figure. Notably, he had previously survived 2 assassination attempts. He was never a businessman but a religious leader and had never traveled to Iran.
Religious scholar whose name is Mufti Shamir, who helped trap Kulbhushan Yadav.
Indian mainstream media and various social media platforms began to propagate allegation that Mufti Shamir was an Iran-based Pakistani businessman linked to the arrest of Kulbhushan Yadav, an Indian national accused of espionage and terrorism in Pakistan. The context of these allegations points to India's own internal political challenges. The arrest of Yadav, a serving Indian naval officer, and his subsequent confession regarding involvement in subversive activities in Balochistan have raised serious concern about Indians' role in state-sponsored terrorism, financing of militant operations within Pakistan. This is an of evidence that the BLA operates as a proxy for Indian interest in Balochistan, with former commanders from the BLA, BLF and BNA who have surrendered providing testimonies about their collaboration with the Indian intelligence agency RAW. This relationship has been starkly highlighted by the Indian celebration of BLA attacks, such as the one on January 4th, which was publicly framed as an act of vengeance for the Pulwama attack. There is a growing consensus that the Baloch Liberation Army is being utilized as a tool to further Indian geopolitical relative in the region. These evidences indicate that India financially incentivizes the BLA for killing Baloch, labeling them death squad, which allowed them to manipulate the narrative for domestic and regional consumption.